So, in this brief video, we will discuss Sikh and Parsi reform movement. Sikh and Parsi reform movement. So, 19th century, you have Sikh reform movement also and Parsi reform movement also. See, when we say Sikh reform movement, Sikh reform movement, the Sikh reform movement, why? The same factor, all those problems, deterioration, and reform movement in Sikhism started in 18th century only. If you have heard about Nirankari movement, Nirankari, if you have heard about Namdhari movement, Namdhari movement. So, all these movements, Nirankari and Namdhari, started right in 18th century. Nirankari in Punjab, Baba Dayal Das, and you can see Namdhari, Bhagat Jawaharmal or Sai Sahab or Baba Ram Singh. These people, right, they were related to this Nirankari and Namdhari movement. So, this reform movement, I wanted to say that this started in 18th century, and in 19th century this reform movement continued, right. 19th century this reform movement continued, and how this reform movement continued, you will see that in 19th century, right, the first important attempt was what is called Singh Sabhas, Singh Sabhas. So, in 19th century, you will see that there was Singh Sabha, Singh Sabha movement. So, first movement in 19th century related to Sikh movement is Singh Sabha movement, Singh Sabha movement. What was the focus of the Singh Sabha movement? Focus was to bring to the Sikh community the benefits of Western enlightenment, right. So, Western enlightenment, how? Through modern education, through modern education, through modern education, right. So, what was the idea of this Singh Sabha movement? To bring to the Sikh community the benefits of what? Western enlightened ideas through modern education, right. And they wanted to counter Christian missionaries, right. They wanted to save, even they wanted to counter Hindu revivalist also, right. So, Christian missionaries and Hindu revivalist also. So, therefore, Singh Sabha movement. Singh Sabha movement is considered as a kind of mass upsurge, and they wanted to revive Sikhism, right, by reviving the teachings of Sikh Guru, by reviving the teachings of Sikh Gurus, right. And they emphasized, right, what? Increase in literacy rate, So, how you can improve education, how you can improve the literacy rate, right. So, they wanted to establish Khalsa schools, Khalsa colleges. So, they wanted to establish Khalsa schools, Khalsa colleges, and many Singh Sabhas were formed. Like Amritsar Singh Sabha. Many Singh Sabhas were formed, like Amritsar Singh Sabha in 1873. Amritsar Singh Sabha in 1873. Then Lahore Singh Sabha in 1879. Lahore Singh Sabha. Then there were many sabhas, like there were other sabhas like Khalsa Diwan Amritsar in 1880s, Khalsa Diwan Amritsar in 1880s. Then Bhasur Singh Sabha, which became a hub of Sikh militancy later, right. So, you will see Singh Sabha movement continued, and you will see that of course there was some later development, some militant approach also followed, no doubt about it, right, to reform Sikhism. So, Singh Sabha movement is the most important movement in 19th century. And then you must remember that the Sikh reform movement continued, right, in 20th century. Sikh reform movement continued in 20th century, and in 1920s there was Akali movement. Akali movement. In 1920s there was Akali movement, and the idea was to purify the Gurudwaras, the management of Sikh Gurudwaras. Idea was to purify the management of Sikh Gurudwaras and to liberate Gurudwaras from those corrupt Mahants, Fine. And you can always remember that this Akali movement was actually, it became the part of Gandhian non-cooperation movement. So Gandhiji also commented on the success of Akali movement, praised this Akali movement, Gandhian non-cooperation movement. Is this fine? So Sikh reform movement, only thing you have to remember that Sikh reform movement of 18th century, 19th century and 20th century. And if they ask you 19th century Sikh reform movement, you have to remember right, Singh Sabha movement. Then of course you have Parsi reform movement also separately. Parsi reform movement also.
It's 1:58 p.m. To hear your notifications,
right,
follow the
and
notification on your phone to turn on
refugee
notification access.
Zoroastrians from Iran, known as Parsis, right? Parsi reform movement. And in this reform movement, one organization played very important role, which was established in 1851. So you should remember this name, 1851. So what was the name of that organization? Rehnumai, right, Mazadayan Sabha, Rehnumai Mazadayan Sabha, established in 1851. And in this establishment of Rehnumai Mazadayan Sabha, three important names, right, contribution in this Rehnumai Mazadian Sabha, three important names you can remember. One is Furdonji Naroji, then Dada Bhai Naroji, you would be familiar with this name, Dada Bhai Naroji. Then SS Bengali. So these names played important role. And there were some journals, right, associated with this Parsi reform movement, like Jagat Mitra, then Rast Goftar, right. So with the help of these journals, right, they wanted to reform their religion. And right, in 19th century, right, with Hindu, Muslim and the Sikh reform movement, you have, right, Parsi reform movement also. So briefly, you should always remember, and there is always a possibility of asking question in prelims, particularly in the Parsi reform movement, right. And whenever you see a reformer of 19th century in news, of course, you have to remember, you have to prepare that.